Kabuhan! We are the senior high student of Sipokot National High School. Tara!
Sipokot National High School, SNHS, is a respected public high school in Sipokot, Camarines Sur, known for its dedication to providing quality education and holistic development to its students since its establishment in 1966. With experienced and supportive teachers, well-equipped classrooms and modern facilities, SNHS ensures a nurturing environment where students can excel academically and personally. The school also offers various extracurricular activities, including sports, arts, and leadership programs, to help students discover their talents and build confidence. Committed to shaping future leaders and lifelong learners, Sipokot National High School continues to be a trusted institution that prepares students for success in life.
Hello everyone, I am Violet Emoyen, and today I'll be asking Miss Aizaliane. So Miss Aizaliane, why choose this brand?
So I have chosen rather EBM strand because this strand has been something that it's calling me way back when I was still in elementary, because I was so fun in the field of business, and that certain thing arose when I was in a junior high school, and I'm just the influence also of some teachers in our junior high school journey, they encouraged me, pushed me, and motivated me to choose ABM, because this strand has something that can offer to someone who loves to enter in a business world, and I am one of that student. I like to enter in a business world one day, and that's why I've chosen ABM.
Would you recommend this brand to the upcoming senior high school graduation?
So yes, for me, yes, because ABM strand has an amazing opportunities once you finish this strand. For those who want to enter the business world, yes, you can. I recommend you this strand because this strand is for you. To those who want to explore in the management and accountancy, you are fitted for this strand, which is the accountancy business convention. That's all. Thank you.
I am Christina Salas, and I am here to interview a student from Electrical Installation Maintenance under TVLC. Hi, again, I am Christina, and I am with
JB Longasa.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Longasa. So I am excited to hear about your choice to become EIM student and to hear your journey about this branch.
I choose EAM because this is the way for my journey to become an electrical engineer, and EAM are not that easy because there are so many hazards and you need to take the risk for unsafety works.
Will you recommend this branch to become a senior high school student?
I recommend this strand because I recommend this strand if you want to gain more knowledge about electricity and use it in the future.
Thank you, Mr. Longasa.
Good morning. I chose Sipokot National High School because of two main reasons. I believe Sipokot National High School offers the best quality of education. Second, this is the nearest school in my residence. That's all. Thank you.
So now I am here with Ms. Kayla Labayo from HE Strand. So Ms. Kayla Labayo, can you tell us your experience and why did you choose HE Strand?
First of all, our experience for being nakakapagod, nakaka-pressure. Kasi syempre, kapag mag-bake ka, dapat pulido. And pag may namali ka lang na isang ingredients, mamamali lahat ng ginagawa mo. Pero syempre, nakaka-enjoy din kasi kapag nag-bake ka, may enjoy mo yung mga moment na nag-aano kayo na aming So, sa pag-enroll sa AP, syempre, nire-recommend namin na nakaka-enjoy ang pag-engage and masasanay ka, mapapakita mo ang skills mo kung paano and mag-enjoy ka sa mga bagay-bagay na wala kang alam and matututo ka. Yes, and magagamit mo din ito for future ano. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina naman, magagamit mo siya sa future. Or kung gusto mo mag-business, or gusto mo mag-engage.
When I was grade 10 student, ay pressure ako magpili ng strand. So, pinili ko yung gas kasi general academic strand. Yung lahat ng strand ng like STEM, ABM, another strand. Lahat yon pinag-aaralan namin. And yung course sa college is may knowledge na kami doon. So, yun lang po.